Wait, why are little ducks having dinner with a teeny lonely baby elephant tonight? Who is that glowing star watching from the sky? After the magical splash, the little ducks sat happily around the glowing dinner table beside the peaceful pond. The baby elephant smiled warmly as Twinkle Little Star floated gently above them.
A real star!
Everyone shared food, laughed together, and listened to the soft sound of the night wind. Little duck, today was the happiest day because we all played together. Before meeting the ducks, the little elephant felt lonely under the tree. But now he had many little friends. Twinkle little star glowing brighter and brighter. Kindness and friendship make every heart shine and brighter. That magical night became their favorite memories forever. The moral of the story: sharing, kindness, and friendship make every adventure magical.